Open. Huh? It's open, come on. No, up.
Keep it open.
Yeah.
Hi. Hi.
Welcome to Winnipeg. What?
Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Good. Hi.
Huh?
Hi.
Hello.
Are you happy we're here?
Yeah. I have a switch.
Yeah.
Hoy, pasok na guys. Natulala din si Miguel.
Oh. I didn't know we had welcome to my room.
Oy, that's their room, CK.
Oh, that's their room.
What are you going to say to them? Welcome to
Welcome to
Winnipeg.
the underground.
Parang mas matangkad na si Miguel sa inyo.
Oh, sabi ko sa'yo, di ba? What can you
How are you,
say?
CK?
Welcome.
I didn't think you'd come here.
Huh?
I thought the chances were never.
Are you surprised?
Yeah.
Are you?
Uh-oh. Yep. Yeah.
Are you happy Miguel's here?
Yeah.
Mira, you hug me. This is Mira. So, uy! Kinalimutan si Ellie.
Now I'm...
Kinalimutan si Ellie.
Lumabas pa yung kalat.
I will just clean it later. Mira, you're so pretty. You know? You're so...
Yeah, but it doesn't work. It doesn't have any battery. Oh.
That's the Winnipeg, and this is what we've got for you. Open it. CK, stop the switch or else I will get it. I will bring it home.
How do you open it?
You help Miguel here. Come on.
Rip it. It's the same glass.
Wow.
Yeah.
Hayaan mo na silang mag-vlog.
Hirap.
Have you ever played?
Maganda kasi
Wait,
sana
kuya,
sa
what
TV
are you
yan
gonna
eh.
say?
Thank you.
Yeah.
I got it.
I have a gift.
CK's.
CK, tandaan mo yung sayo ah. Parehas lang naman pero bago kasi kay Miguel nakaano pa dito eh.
After 5 years, you'll be after 5.
After 5 years.
Or, 5 ba?
2023.
No, not really. Just 3.
3 lang. 2022 ba yun or 2023?
Wait,
2023.
magpa-4 na to. Magawan pa lang siya 2 years na.
Alam ko 2023.
Boy has a head start.
Kuya, ito pa oh. Kuya.
Kuya!
Ito pa.
I don't want
I will just act like I did it. Oh my goodness, sweetie bird. Thank you so much.
Yeah. I think I know how that goes.
This is mine, CK. This is mine.
Don't get too
Thank you guys.
Yung loose bag ni CK nandun sa car.
Ha?
Yung loose bag niya.
Yung kay Miguel nga. Yung birthday ko kay Miguel, di ko pinitbit kasi mahalata ni CK.
Oh.
Oh yeah. Kaya yung car lang binitbit ko. Okay.
Baka tayo pa ba si CK?
Hindi.
Of course not.
Oo, mana sa akin kasi yung batang yan eh. Ang laki ng puwet, no? Sabi ko, sige, ang laki ng puwet. Sabi ko, para ka naka-diaper, laki ng puwet mo na. Di ba, hindi ko na inaayos yung buka.
Hindi, parang mas natangkat.
No! Rather than
Hindi, maabutan siya talaga. Konti lang, girl. Konti. Di ba, hindi ko inaayos.
Hindi.
Thank you, girl.
Kain na tayo.
Oo nga.
Excited na ako sa seafood.
Baka hanggang may lang yun, girl.
You're not. Now you're
Second pa lang.
Tara na, girl. Ay,
you'll be recycling. Recycling, right?
ano yung tsura ni Vicky?
Start ko na
Natulala.
yung car.
What if the
Yung car mo para kung may gulong magdanikit.
this got back at DMV, right?
Buti di
Mr. Sigma boy got crashed.
Easy eh.
No!
Kuya, nag-thank you ko ba kay Tita?
Yeah, I did.
You're welcome.
Paano ba nag-check out kami bukas? Okay lang?
Knock, knock.
Kami.
Oo.
What?
Oo, tatanong ko ulit mamaya. Pero nabayaran ko na, so I think okay na yun. Pati yung parking girl ah.
Oo.
Please, sige, look.
Tara, let's na. Si Kuya, ayan, sabi ni Tita, tandaan mo daw kung alin yung... Parang mas malaki yung kay Kuya CK.
Hindi, parehas lang yun. Tapos kasi gamit na niya.
Hindi, mas malaki yung kay CK, girl. Nawinipeg. Is it? Hindi pa rin yung
Yung Saskatoon mahaba. Pero yung... Ang
Ikaw sa kay
mas
Kuya Miguel, oh. Gamit na gamit
Winnipeg.
kasi, oh.
sa Winnipeg may stop sign sa bubuk.
Oo, maganda.
Tapos merong may
Eh,
pintuan.
Tita, I wish to
That's not it. Yo, I'll set the engine under iron.
Mamaya na nga natin ito problemahin.
Kaya nga, let's go na.
Sige, ayun. Daddy, don't
Sabi ni Miguel, natulala.
Nabigyan mo siya?
Oo, ay, hindi ko siya na-videoan
Kay CK kasi ako nakaano eh.
nakaganto yung ano ko eh. Ayan ang inuna nila. What do you call that game? Tumbang preso. Mga Pinoy talaga to. Oh, go. How do you play the game? You explain it to the camp. How do you... It's supposed to be a tin can. Yeah, it's supposed to be a tin can like this. But they make it bigger. So it will become easy for you guys. The one who will knock down the can is the winner.
I'll do it for you.
Do you know the piko? Miguel, do you know the piko? That's what you call the hopscotch. Careful lang, you might hit someone here. There you go. Kailangan ko yun eh. Let's go. We're going to live at Seafood City. Ay, matamaan yan. What's that, Mira? Sige, come here. Aligaga ang mga bata. Aligaga sila. Picture tayo dito. Dito, guys.
Kuya, kung nag-picture ka naman, isinda mo.
Oh, sige.
Mira, sali ka doon.
Mira, are you happy? Wow. You got Hello Panda na.
Why is there bubbly things in the
Oh
water?
my gosh, sige.
What?
Seafood City.
Why are there bubbly things in the water? Why are there bubbly things in the water?
You welcome Ninja, that's Miguel's new car.
Why are there bubbly things in the water?
Okay na. Guys.
We're after just getting both up. I'm biking. I'm starting.
Wow.
Yo! Yeah, not doing it. Yo, my slipper! I'm not biking. I'm doing something else. I'm gonna karate chop somebody. No, it's like this. Oh, yeah. Yo, let me try. Oh!
Oh.
Yo, what's up, boy? What's up? What's up there? Let's see how can I carry out what my dad is.
Come on, let's go. Come on.
Ah, sayang.
Third.
Nag-second na si Kuya eh.
Nag-second siya.
Si Toad eh. Ay na si Toad, dali mo kaya parang sunod ka kay Kuya CK.
Yeah.
Malapit doon din.
Almost there.
That's a Yoshi, not me.
Ay, ganun ba? Sorry.
That's a Yoshi.
Ayan na Kuya, dali. Good job.
Ay!
Lagi ka na lang nababangga Kuya pag malapit ka na kayo ano.
Yan, fourth na. Natatel siya sa atin eh.
Go Kuya. You can do it. Ay, ang galing Kuya. Ayan na Kuya. Oh, lagi na lang tuwing malapit ka na sa kanya. Ayan na, second na ulit si Kuya. Woohoo!
Wow, galing ah. There. Yeah, isa na lang si Yoshi.
Kuya.
Ayun na!
Yeah, second na.
Where's Kuya?
Ayun no, next na siya kay Kuya CK.
There?
Go, Kuya.
Galing nyo, guys. Galing nila, guys.
Wow! Ipang-ilan na?
Isa na
Is
lang.
it almost done?
Yeah.
Dali, nabangga si Kuya CK. Baka kamot-amot.
Yan, almost there na. Oh. Almost there. Almost there. Second.
Kuya, ano yung hawak mo?
I need to save this for later. Now please don't throw it to me. I tried my best with this. You can't run, but you can't.
Ang layo na yata ni Kuya CK.
I just wasted
Ay,
it.
super layo na. Ay, hindi wala hit.
Wait, can I just see you?
Oh,
He's here.
Ay, sorry. Hindi ko ba?
He's here.
Galing si Kuya. Ay, galing.
I thought.
Good job, guys.
Yay! Wow, galing mo na.